Hi, I'm Angela DValda Sirico, and today we're going to be working on piqués on point at the bar. And a regular piqué is a difficult step, I think, because it does require a good transference of weight, a good push from the plie into the supporting leg, and also you need to have the upper body under control. So actually what we're going to be specifically working on today is our piqué in second position. So we have Caroline, my lovely assistant, and she's going to first just demonstrate the regular piqué that we do at the bar. So she starts off in a beautiful position, her arms in a low fifth or brava, and she's going to place them on the bar and just place them. That's so important because especially on pointe, dancers always want to grip like this, and that's a very bad habit to get into even from the very beginning. And very often, by the way, I will have them just hold the bar with one finger when they get a little bit more confident with it. So, Caroline, let's demonstrate a regular piqué, darling, all right? You plie, you brush, and you spring. Good. And fondue out of that. Excellent. Now, that's the correct way to do it, and as you see, she did push from that plie, spring onto the supporting leg, and it took her one movement to do that. Now, very often what happens is dancers do it in 2 or 3 stages, and they kind of pull themselves over, especially at the bar. And we want to discourage that because, again, that creates bad habits. So, Caroline, go back, sweetie, and do it the wrong way. Ready? And that's right. And you see how she's almost grappling with the bar. We like to teach them just to slide their hands along so they are, in truth, just resting their fingers on the bar, because otherwise they get left behind. So do it one more time correctly. And piqué. Okay, so now that's the basic piqué, and that's a good way to teach it, holding the bar, facing the bar always. Okay, so now we're going to do the piqué in second, and I want to show you some of the pitfalls to doing it, so you can make sure that the dancers are aware of these things. So off you go, my love. And up. Now, she has her leg in a good position. It should not be more than hip level. Always, hip level is the ideal spot. A lot of them will let the hip go back, yes, and arch the back. So it's very important to make sure they're using the buttock muscles, they're really rotating the leg from inside of the thigh, and then they'll get that beautiful position. Thank you, sweetie. Now I'd like to show you a little bit more advanced level. Caroline's going to do the piqué in second, and she's going to take the opposite arm to the working leg up into 5th position. And this also, again, requires more control and more strength. So off you go, and up, and fondue. Good. And again, you can do this going down the bar in a series of 3 with a pas de barre to change, or a bourrée, or just some transitional step that will get them ready for the next side. Thank you, Caroline.